Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ITV or ITVX channel not working, region check, player reset and DNS tips. Fix 1. Force close and reopen the app. Exit the ITVX app completely, then open your device recent apps menu or multitasking screen. Swipe away or close the ITVX app. Then you have to reopen the ITVX and try to playing a video. Fix to clear the ITVX app cache. For Fire Stick or Android TV, navigate to Setting. Then select Application, then choose Manage Installed Application. Find and select ITVX and click on Clear Cache. Then you have to select Clear Data. For Samsung TV, press Home, then click on Setting. Then you have to click on Support and then choose Device Care, Manage Storage, then find ITVX and click on View Details. Then you just have to clear the cache. For LG TV, turn the TV off and back on LG TVs, clear cache automatically when fully powered down. For iPhone or iPad, you must uninstall the app from your home screen and reinstall it from the App Store. Fix 3. Hard reboot your TV and router. Unplug your TV or streaming device directly from the wall socket. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from the power. Then you just have to wait exactly 60 seconds. Then plug the router back in and wait for all lights to turn green. Plug the TV back in, turn it on and open the ITVX. Fix 4. Check for update. Open the App Store or Google Play Store or Amazon Play Store on your device. Then search for ITVX. If an update button is available, you just have to click it. Then go to your TV's main setting, navigate to System, then click on Software Update. Ensure your TV firmware is current. Fix 5. Turn off VPNs and web blockers. You just have to open your VPN app on your TV, phone or router. Select disconnect or turn off. If you're using a computer browser, click on Add Blockers extension icon. Click on Pass or Disable for specific site. Thanks for watching.